Okay, this is going to be my presentation for this. This will be about static non-static variable arrays and so forth. What is different between static and non-static variables? Static variable means the instance of the object doesn't need to be created uh, to run that method. A static method belongs to the class. Static variable can be referenced at any time. However, a non-static variable cannot be referenced to from static context. It can only be referenced if you have an instance of the class created. A non-static method belongs to each object that is generated from that class. So let's see if I can share my screen to show some example of 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 that. Okay, let's see if I can share my. Okay, let's see if I can share my screen and build PowerPoint presentation. Okay, these are my screen waiting to static and non-static variables. I also have an example. Okay, I have this as example of static and non-static of non-static variable. Okay, so and and must be fragments created. They can never be changed after. Array is for primitive data types. However, we still use arrays if data will change. Arrays can be but not with primitive data. So that's it for the for array and array list. We have an example. This is the example of arrays and array list. Let me see if I can update. Okay, of array and array list. We have enums. Enums are basically that have a predefined set of instances. They have intended the intended has a replacement, a collection of integer constant. They are preferably to constant because they can enforce type safety. Some example of enums are compass direction, like the days of the week and season of the year. That's some of the example of enums. We have also another kind of enums. Instead of this, we can use enum for for the podcast numbers. Okay, let's keep yes. Um, full of class type like string stores object of its class differently from how variable of primitive class, like an integer shall store the values. A variable with its primitive type or a class type is implemented as a computer memory. For a variable of type, value variable is stored memory location assigned to variable or class that also of where the object is. And in class, let's see if I can see it. Okay, okay, that's it. Let's see. Okay, let's see if I can stop showing. Okay, okay. I can stop sharing my screen. We have also we have while loops. for loop, nested loop, and finally we have infinite loop. A while loop repeats a statement of a group of statements while a given state condition is true. It tests the condition before executing the loop body. However, a do while loop, like a while loop statement, except that it tests the condition at the end of the loop body. We have for loop basically a sequence of statements multiple times and abbreviates the code that manage loop variable. Nested loops, you can use one or more loops inside one inside any other while for the while. A loop becomes infinite loop if a condition never becomes false. So that. Let's see if I can share this this kind of loop. That's what we have for loops, and then we have for this. Okay, we have full catch and try. The try block contains a block of program statement within which an exception might occur. A try block is always followed by a catch block. The exception that occurs in an associated try block. A try block must be followed by a catch block or final block of both. A catch block must be associated with a try block. The corresponding catch block executes it if an exception of a particular type occurs. For example, if an arithmetic exception occurs in try block, then the statement closed in a catch block for an arithmetic exception execute. If I can share my screen for this. Okay, we have this. Okay, again we have this, and also the true vs written. What is the best? It depends. Should a fail function return a value or throw an exception? It depends. The answer is depends of the school you've been in. It depends of your choice, of your preference. So there's the basic difference between true vs written value. On types of stream, they have byte stream and character stream. Byte streams, these are the most basic type of stream for input output operations and are used to process data byte by byte. Byte space streams generally end up calling by word stream, like input stream and output stream, and are used to process a whole byte at a time. Character stream, these provide a convenient way of handling character inputs and outputs. These for intent purposes as character streams use Unicode's character. Let's see if I can share my screen into that. We have byte stream and character stream. Now think with data to external file, how to provide data to an external file. If I can share my screen with this, we have this. Uh, so we have external file. We have class file. The constructors of this class assume that the default character encoding and default byte buffer size are acceptable. To specify these values, you also construct an output stream rather than on a file output stream. The buffer writer class is used to write text to a character output stream, buffering characters so as to provide for the efficient writing of single character arrays or strings. For writing data to an external file. Let's see if we can run our stuff for a bit. We have this one. Okay, let's see. It's running. It's running. Let's see if I can share my screen a little bit. While it's running, we have this and then create. I think that's what we have. So I think so. See if we can commit this one. Like nothing. Maybe I don't think that we have nothing to commit. We don't have anything to commit. Let's see if we can put last changes. We have remote pool. Then we have this one, and then okay, that's working. And then we finish. Okay, let's see if we can push. Push. We can push right now. Okay, then that's it for this. Okay, I think we done almost done for this. That's it for this presentation. Now we hope we did the best way we can and enjoy this presentation about basic Java, weapons, and streams, stuff like that. Okay, thanks. Stop.